Hey everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods. Today we're going all in with one of the most lauded supercars of recent years, the 2024 McLaren 720S. It's part of McLaren's Super Series, sitting above the GT but below the even more track-focused models like the 765LT. The 720S features a sculpted aerodynamic body that is much more than just aesthetics. McLaren uses data from wind tunnel testing and CFD to optimize airflow. Downforce and drag. The front splitter is low and sharp. The hood vents channel air to reduce lift. One of McLaren's signature design features is the floating roof design, blacked out pillars that visually disconnect the greenhouse, producing the effect of the roof floating above the cabin. Lighting signatures, thin LED strips up front, very distinctive. The 720S headlamps are sleek, high-intensity units. Rear lighting is minimalist but sharply styled. Attention to detail here, small vents, creases, carbon fiber weave visible in certain trims. Wheels and tires by default. The 720S rides on lightweight forged wheels, multi-spoke designs, often in 19 or 20-inch fronts and larger rears. Tires are ultra-performance Michelin or Pirelli rubber with front-rear staggered widths to enhance grip. McLaren offers a rich palette of colors and multiple levels of visible carbon fiber, gloss or satin finish, and optional exposed carbon wings, roofs, engine covers. Inside, highly bolstered, often carbon fiber back. Depending on options, you might get softer comfort seats for road use. Upholstery options, Alcantara leather, microfiber, optionally custom stitching, perforations, controls, buttons, switches, generally minimal. McLaren prefers a clutter-free layout. Climate control, infotainment, drive mode selectors are logically placed. Sound insulation, McLaren has improved NVH noise vibration harshness so that on highway cruising the roar is kept at bay. Infotainment screen, central screen with McLaren's OS, navigation, media, some custom widgets, Bluetooth, USB, maybe wireless charging depending on market. Smartphone mirroring, this may be limited. Check region for Apple CarPlay, Android Auto availability. Cabin storage, door bin, small central cubby, glove box, whatever is fitted, not huge but enough for essentials. Comfort on long journeys, ride quality in comfort mode is livable, less road harshness transmitted, you'll still feel stiffness. Now to the heart of the matter, performance. Twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 engine, twin scroll turbos for reduced lag, high rev ceiling, approximate 8,500 revolutions per minute in many trims. For a supercar power output typically around 710 horsepower. Some trims or special editions might slightly tweak this in 568 lb-ft, or close, of torque. Peak torque comes in a broad band, so acceleration is strong across the rev range 0 to 60 miles per hour. Or 0,100 km per hour, around 2.8 seconds. Climb times can vary depending on traction, tires, conditions at altitude or in hot weather. Performance may be slightly reduced. Braking performance, firm, strong initial bite thanks to carbon ceramic discs, able to pull from high speeds with good fade resistance, stopping from 600 mph and approximate 100-120 phi. Balance of performance and usability, many supercars excel at one or the other. The 720S offers both raw speed and daily usability. Comfort mode lets you cruise, sport track modes let you unleash it. Engineering, transparency components are high-end carbon monocoque, advanced aero race-derived suspension systems. Buyers feel they are getting genuine motorsport DNA, heritage and brand cachet. McLaren has racing lineage. Owning a 720S makes a statement among automotive enthusiasts. Parts of its design come from track cars and even Formula One experience. Base price for the 2024 720S is in the high hundreds of thousands USD, or comparable in other markets before options. Once you begin selecting MSO, personalization, aero packages, lightweight wheels, upgraded brakes, sound systems, etc. In all, the 2024 McLaren 720S remains one of the purest supercars you can buy, one that doesn't sacrifice too much usability for speed and doesn't sacrifice too much comfort for drama. It feels special, sounds special, and when pushed gives you that thrill of performance few cars deliver. If I had to score it, the 720S earns very high marks in performance, design and driver involvement. A few points docked for practicality, compromises and ownership costs, but if you can live with those, it's a car to lust after. Thanks for riding shotgun with me through this deep dive. If you liked the video, hit that like button, subscribe for more reviews and tell me in the comments.